childhood he is very brilliant student who had doctorate in economics from England, from London University and Columbia University. He was died on 6 December 1956 in Delhi. His birthday was celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti or as Equality Day. He was rewarded by Bharat Ratna in 1990. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.
थे उन्हें लोग नेताजी के नाम से भी जानते थे। उनका जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897 में हुआ था कटक उड़ीसा में। उनके पिताजी का नाम जानकीनाथ बोस था और माताजी का नाम प्रभावती था। उनकी पत्नी का नाम इमली संकलेना था। उन्होंने नारा दिया था, जिस तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। उनकी मृत्यु 18 अगस्त 1945 में हुई थी। उन्हें मृत्यु के बाद 1992 में भारत रत्न से सम्मानित किया गया था। धन्यवाद।
Paul was great freedom fighter of India. He was also a great nationalist of India. He was born on 23rd January in 1897. He is also known as Netaji. His father's name was Janakinath and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. He went to jail in many times. His famous slogan, "Give me a blood and I shall give you a freedom." He was dead on 18 August 1945 in plane crash. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.
कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप में रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू भागे मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्जी।
46, however, it come into effect on 26 January 1950. Republic Day mark India transition to an independent republic country. The main festival of this day is celebrated at the Rajpath of New Delhi in front of President of India.
और उसको बनने में 2 साल 11 महीने 18 दिन के लगभग समय लगा था। जो संविधान सभा की जो कमेटी थी उसमें लगभग 389 के करीब सदस्य थे और उस प्रारूप उसमें जो समिति थी उसमें
Subscribe!